All right, to continue to do level 2 type problems, we'll use this equation sometimes whenever we have a triangle and an angle and two sides and the angle in between. And but it all depends on the problem. This problem, we have a rectangle, and we're given a side length and this angle. We know area equals base times height, where this is the base and 10 is the height. Now, a problem is we don't know what this base is. Now we're going to have to remember a little bit of geometry from before. These two are vertical angles, so that would be 145. Or I guess I could use this angle here. Let's just keep going. Now if I want to find these two angles, I take 180 minus 145 to get 35. And since this is an isosceles triangle, because in a rectangle those are equal, I divide that by 2, and I'll get 17.5 for each of these angles. Now that I have that, I can create a triangle. I'll do this in blue, where it's a right triangle, where I know one angle, 17.5, its opposite side, I could get its adjacent, because this would be opposite, this would be adjacent. Opposite over adjacent is tangent, so I'd say the tangent of 17.5 is my opposite, which is 10, over my adjacent, which is b. Now to do tangent of 17.5, 0.3153, and now I cross multiply. 10 times 1 is 10. This is 0.3153b. So 10 over 0.3153 equals b. .7 is our b. So now to find the area, I take base times our height, which is 10, and that would be 317 units squared. Now let's try another one. In this situation, we have a rhombus, and we know one angle is 25. Now, all sides are going to be 10. So what I could do is divide this into two triangles and find the area of this first and then double it. We know the area is equal to 1/2 AB sine of C. And now if both sides are 10, it would be 10 times 10 times the sine of the angle in between, which is 25. So let's go 0.5 times 10 times 10 times the sine of 25. Looks like 21.13 is the area of that triangle, that blue triangle. Area of the blue triangle. Now, if I want to find this whole rhombus, I'm going to have to double that. So area equals 2 times 21.13, and we get 42.26. I probably should have been able to do that in my head. 42.26 centimeters squared. All right, one more problem before we'll set you loose. Find the area of this triangle. Now, one problem is we don't know the height and we don't know any angles. To find this angle, we'll have to use the law of cosines. Now we can find any angle we want. Remember, uh, this c squared equals a squared, or I think in class I did a squared. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. So if I want to find this angle, then 7 will be my a. So I'd say 7 squared equals 8 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 8 times 3 times the cosine of that angle A. Or 49 is equal to 64 plus 9 minus 48 cosine of A. I can add these together to get 73. Subtract 73 from both sides, and I would take 49 minus 73, negative 24, equals negative 48 cosine of A. Then we divide both sides by negative 48. I think that's going to be right half. So divide by negative 48, and you get just 1/2. So if the cosine of A equals 0.5, now to find the angle, we have to take the inverse cosine, which is 60. So our angle here is 60 degrees. Now if I want to find the area, it's 1/2 AB sine of C. We know our angle is 60, so A and B are the two sides next to it. 1/2 times 8 times 3 times the sine of my angle 60. So pull up the calculator again, and I'm going to do 0.5 times 8 times 3 times sine of 60. So my area is 10.39, and that's some units squared. All right, hopefully that's enough to get you through your work.